Well, I showed you those snapping rollers.
I thought not all of them will go in, too.
Looking at the whole front of the combine here where it's taking in the corn. And of course when it comes in, it comes out this auger in the back.
Grain tank.
Into the what?
Grain tank.
Into the grain tank. And that thing is going to get full so we can't see out this window. And when it's all loaded, it goes into those grain bins way off on the horizon there.
Yeah. Press the button again. Just wait a minute, man. Well, I've already got it out.
Can I put it in?
Yeah, you can when we. Yeah, you sure can. Just wait. Okay, whenever you're ready, we can.
Nathan pushed the button and out comes the corn.
Yeah. Oh, that's neat. Good video. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's real neat, Greg.
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's cool. Wow.
Oh, man.
It's going to be fun. He's going to unload the corn from the grain cart into the semi there. Now it'll start unloading here. But you can't see it. Well, yeah, you sure can. You can see it coming out. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Comes out fast.